Hey, what's going on, guys? Just really quick, this is going to end up being the answer for warm-up number 10. I'm going to run through it. This is a weird problem. I'm not sure how well you guys are going to do on it, but we are getting into a whole new section. Guys, remember, some of you had to end up sending me messages about different sections that you watch the videos. Each week, we're in a new section. So, for week one was section one. Last week was week two, so you had to watch the videos in section two. This week is section three, so make sure to watch the videos in section three and take the assessment as many times as you would like. I know some of you guys are watching the videos, some of you aren't. These are pretty much just freebies. I'm just working through it just to show you some sort of math, and I'm getting the questions from that test yourself assessment. Let's go ahead. Let's end up knocking this one out really quick. Reading the problem. It says it cost $6 per pound for peanuts at Blessed Food Market. That's a weird name. Which of the following represent the range of the function in terms of cost per pound? So if I end up looking at range, if you guys remember from math, it's been a while since you've actually been in the classroom. Range actually represents y. Okay, that's what it's going to be, and it says $6 per pound. Well, I don't know how many pounds I'm buying. I could buy 1 pound, I could buy 17 pounds, maybe 1,000 pounds of peanuts if I own an elephant. So I'm going to end up writing down 6x because I know every pound that takes place is going to cost me $6. And my output or my range will give me y. So what would end up taking place? Well, $6. Well, that has nothing to do with my range or my y over here. So I know that's not the right answer, so I'm going to go ahead and cross that one out. It says the amount of peanuts. Well, it doesn't say we're buying one peanut. It says we're buying pounds of peanuts. So this doesn't help at all. That's just a confusing fact to throw you off because you know these FSA, EOC based questions love to do that. And then the last one here says peanuts purchased. Well, that's kind of close to what we're actually going for. Not quite, because 6x would end up being per pound. So peanuts purchased, well, that's not going to tell us that because this is money. It's going to end up telling us how much money we are going to end up spending on the peanuts. So this one's going to be right. That one down here at the bottom, super close. But just not quite there. The cost is definitely what we would know. Because if it was 1 pound, 6 times 1 would be 6. If it was 2 pounds, 6 times 2 would be $12. So this doesn't work. And this third one right here will end up being the right answer. All right, well, I hope you guys had a good Easter Sunday. I did nothing. I'm assuming you guys did hopefully something. If you did something great, I don't know what it is you would have done, but if you did it, hopefully it was exciting. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.